I came to Mentougou in Beijing for one thing: peace. A quiet fishing trip, beautiful river view, blue sky, and total relaxation. But just when everything felt perfect, a massive black dog broke free from its chain and charged straight towards me. In seconds, my peaceful fishing trip turned into one of the most stressful moments I have ever had in China. This is exactly what happened. Early in the morning, I decided to leave the busy city behind and head toward Mentougou District in Beijing. I wanted a simple day, no rush, no noise, no crowds. Just me, the road, and a peaceful fishing trip in nature. Mentougou is one of those places around Beijing that always surprises me. The mountains, the open skies, the fresh air, it feels completely different from the city. As I drove closer to Yongding River area, the views kept getting better and better. It was one of those sunny days, blue sky, bright light, calm water, and that peaceful feeling you only get when you escape into nature. Beautiful. But my car is parking over there. That's quite far. If I go that side, I need to find a spot to park my car this side. But this land, you see, is all messed up because of flood. The one thing I'm scared of always in this kind of places is the dogs. Because look, their dogs are really scary and dangerous. I never want to face them. And here you can see there are some stools. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Nice. But this area seems a little bit private, because you can see there is a house, probably an old house, and they have dogs here. So let's find out.
Alright, so here's the situation. I was afraid of that dog, and the owner of the dog, he went outside somewhere, and the dog behind, he broke his rope, and he's out now. And he was coming here around my car, he was sniffing everywhere, and then he was growling at me. And then he went, I quickly came inside the car, and I beeped. Look there, the black dog. And it's kind of bulldog with a big face. Go, go, go. 你走吧，你走吧。Well, the problem is this kind of dogs on this kind of places, shepherd kind of dogs, they're quite wild, and they're not that kind of trained like in city dogs that when they see some person they be so, like, you know, cute and lovely. But these dogs are really wild, and they cannot bear anyone in their territory. So it happened to me before as well, so that's why this time I'm too much, you know, afraid and scared actually. So now this place I need to leave, this spot, and let's see some other spot.
Since this was my first time really practicing fishing, so I didn't catch anything today. But I still learned a lot. Fishing takes skill, patience, and finding the right spot. Mentougou was a beautiful place to learn, and I will definitely come back better prepared next time. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your fishing tips in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.